What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about XRP. I want to talk about safe investments. And I know when people think of safe investments, they definitely don't think of the crypto market. But if you're looking for some of the safest investments within the crypto market, look no further, honestly, than XRP. Um, we can talk about what the requirements are for a safe investment in the crypto market, but we're also going to look into what made it safe as we're looking into today and the things that happened in the past. So, with that being said, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for Margex, that's the first link in the description where you can trade XRP up to a 50x leverage. You don't have to do a 50x leverage. You can do a 5x leverage if you want to, but it is a solid platform for leverage trading if you guys are interested in that. But like I said, safe investments are for honestly the bonds, and even the stock market can be definitely be unsafe. You can have some things that are a lot safer, like ETFs and index funds, and you don't really find that in the crypto market. Even if you invest into some of these ETFs, they're solely following that position. So it's like investing into Bitcoin without investing directly into Bitcoin. It's indirectly investing into that cryptocurrency. So it's not necessarily safe just because it is an ETF. Now, what it is you're not going to lose your money, when it comes to getting your wallet stolen or anything like that. Like, obviously, you have it invested throughout, say you're in Fidelity or whatever. Like, you can invest there and buy Bitcoin at that level. But let's talk about other safe investments. And honestly, I think you need to understand that XRP is now probably one of the safest, if not the safest investment that you can make in the crypto market. And I'll tell you the biggest reason why in a little bit. But first, let's go through where XRP stands. XRP is at 53 cents. It's slightly up on the day at 0.18% increase. We are seeing a little bit of a change with CoinMarketCap in the way that they display things, which is always great. The market cap is at a $30 billion market cap, $1.2 billion worth of volume. You see the volume to market cap ratio at about 4%, max supply 100 billion, total supply 99.99 billion, while the circulating supply that you have there is 56.65 billion that's there. So it's always great to see there. For some reason, I'm trying to figure out what the FDV is, fully diluted value. Oh, okay, I got you. Fully diluted value is $53.28 billion market cap, which is a difference of about $20 billion, $23 billion there. Obviously, with 100 billion coins, it just makes sense, or close to 100 billion coins. It makes sense. But what makes this a safe investment? Why am I telling you guys that this is the safest investment that's out there? Well, I think we need to understand how people perceive crypto. When you have people that are outside looking in, they hear a lot of news. And the news is that crypto, everything's an unregistered security. It's illegal to own it and all of blah, 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 right? With XRP right now is the only cryptocurrency out of every single cryptocurrency, the only cryptocurrency that truly has legal clarity and can be traded as a non-security. And it is going to stay that way, because even though the appeal has gone through, they have stated that they weren't appealing the ruling that XRP isn't a security. So we know that XRP is not a security. It's not going to be a security for a very long time and forever. And that means that it is the safest investment that you can have. Now, when it comes to seeing it fluctuate, it comes to seeing the growth everywhere else, you can see a lot of growth in many other positions, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or whatever. But XRP remains as the safest investment that's out there because it is not being attacked by the SEC. Right? Yes, Bitcoin is also on that that level as well, but it's also not legally labeled as not a security, even though we know it, right? And we know Ethereum is not, and we know that many others are not. XRP is the only one that truly has that clarity, and that's why it keeps all of it, alive there. But Ripple has filed a cross appeal in the SEC lawsuit, which is always great to know that we're continuing to fight, right? Ripple files cross appeal against the SEC. Alderati reveals in an X post that they filed a cross appeal against the US SEC. Today, he stated that they took this step to ensure that nothing's left on the table, including the argument that an investment contract cannot exist without essential rights and obligations. The Ripple CLO noted that the SEC had already said that they weren't appealing the ruling of XRP as a security. Therefore, the cross appeal won't border on this issue. He added that this remains the law and that an appeal on other issues doesn't change it. And again, big deal to know that XRP is not the main fight or the reason to trade XRP and all of that and everything there is the reason that they are continuing to appeal. That's not the case, right? So that's great. However, it's all about how much they receive, right? It's all about them getting more money for violating securities laws in the sale of institutions and not the sale to individual investors, retail investors. So that, in fact, makes this the safest investment that you can have. However, you're going to see some fluctuation. We've seen fluctuation. We look at all history, we've seen fluctuation. It is cryptocurrency. And especially since the parent company is still involved in this, you are going to see some more fluctuation. However, we know that this is the only thing on the market that is labeled as not a security, which to me and to many other people is a huge deal. So I'm holding on to my 100,000. Currently, I have 90,000 that's out in the open, and I'm waiting for some big moves, and I'm also waiting for the long term, and having that 10,000 coins, those 10,000 coins turn into so much more, based on the things that or how XRP gets implemented. But I want to know what you guys think. Does this make XRP a safe investment, or does it not? Are you tired of hearing about XRP? Are you tired of hearing about the fact that XRP is going to be worth so much more when it doesn't make a move? Let me know your opinions about XRP, about Ripple, about the SEC in the comment section below. But if you could hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you want to check out my link for Margex, if you want to start trading on Margex, feel free to check out that link. It's at the top of the description. You can trade up to a 50x leverage all the way down to a 5x leverage. So again, check it out. Let me know what you think about Margex in the comment section, or message me privately, whatever you want to do. But I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.